welcome. I'm Neha Bajaj, and tonight I'm at the red carpet of Miss Diva 2025 Grand Finale, and I have with me the gorgeous Rakul Preet. Welcome on the red carpet.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And you look lovely. I love your outfit. I love your earrings.
Thank you so much.
So this
And
look
you
is
look like a dagger.
Okay, so again, you have walked the ramp. So I want to know the tips that you would like to give to all the contestants who are competing right now for Miss Diva.
I'll just say that yes, they're going to be butterflies. Yes, you're going to feel very nervous, but just forget all of that. Take a deep breath and put out the best version of yourself and just own yourself. Don't try to compete with one another. Just be the best version of yourself.
Okay, so what's the first thing that you check before stepping onto any red carpet?
Is it slippery? Are my heels slipping?
Okay, so one thing that instantly lights up your red carpet mood.
Good questions.
Good questions.
Yeah.
I hope I am also lighting up your
Absolutely, you are.
Okay, you're kind. So again, Rakul, again in Bollywood, we have seen so many actresses, yesteryear generations, and even today. So who has been your favorite iconic diva that you've always and always admired?
Many. Sri Devi ma'am to begin with. I think she is wonderful and there can't be another Sri Devi. I'd say I really like Kajol ma'am. Huge fan of her since DDLJ and even now. And I feel Alia.
Okay. So what is more tough, walking on the ramp or acting in front of the camera?
Neither is tough. Both exciting. Both are exciting.
Okay, and what is more stressful, first audition or first big success?
Neither again. Why do you have to have stress? Like I'm of the belief that when you're trying to do something that you're very passionate about, why add stress to that?
Okay, that's very well answered. And again, tell us something about your 2026 projects. Saw you in De De Pyar De too.
Yes.
You were lovely with a Chandigarh vibe. Really like that. So about 2026.
I'm very excited about 26. I have a release coming up in March, which is Pati Patni Aur Wo Do, and 2 more films which I will talk about soon.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you. मेरे साथ हैं former beauty queen and the gorgeous Sangeeta Bijlani.
Thank you so much.
And Sangeeta, you look lovely. Tell me about your outfit, your look. मैं जब भी आपसे मिलती हूँ ये हमेशा पूछती हूँ. I love your look.
Thank you so much. It's a beautiful midnight blue gown, and I think it's appropriate for the event tonight.
Yeah, and I love
Of
the
course.
earrings as well.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really long because I like wearing long earrings because I have a very long neck. So I always feel that I need to fill this gap.
But you look lovely with earrings, with your makeup. So again, one thing that really lights up your mood at the red carpet.
Right now, it's all the cameramen here and the lights and all of you.
Okay. And again, अगर हम बात करें आपसे, so आज आपको ready होने में कितना time लगा?
I think it took around half an hour for my makeup and then another half an hour for my hair. In totality, maybe an hour and a half. Yeah.
Okay. So, any compliment from a Bollywood biggie that really stayed with you in all these years and you remembered for your looks, for your personality? I'm sure you must have received many compliments, but कोई एक ऐसा compliment जो आपको याद है?
Actually, it's so funny because whenever I meet people, they say that I look the same since the last 20 to 30 years. So I think that's a huge compliment. And the other day I met a photographer and he said, Sangeeta, you look really scary. I said, why? He says, because you look the same. So that's scary. I was like, oh, should I take that as a compliment? So he says, definitely, because you like time stood still. So I think that is so humbling and so I think I feel humble. That's all. These words are like so precious, and if that is how the world is going, everybody is going into anti-aging. So if you can just stay where you are, I think.
And I totally agree with the photographer, what he said, the time stood still. Okay, again, Sangeeta, Miss Diva 2025. So what are those qualities that you look forward in tonight's Beauty Queen?
So I think external factors do play for the gown, for the makeup, the outward look and everything, to look glamorous, to look confident. But I think there are enough factors at play which I believe, because what comes from within is what's most important to me. So it's the energy that you exude, it's the confidence that you have, it's the way you move, it's the energy in the way you speak and the way your eyes sparkle. and I think that's that vibration and that frequency which people catch when you are on stage doing that. I think that's what makes you more beautiful than anything else. It's not the height or the color or the skin or the size. I don't think these things really matter. Of course, there is an image, an image that you kind of like look at and say, "Wow, okay, I want this perfect 10 or whatever." But I think more than that, it's when the vibrancy that exude comes through now. I think people go, "Wow, she's so beautiful."
Absolutely, I totally agree with you. And again, Sangeeta, while you were growing up, and I've seen your pictures on the internet. You look great. So तब उस समय आपकी कौन सी फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस थी या कौन सी डीवा थी जो उस समय आपको बहुत ज्यादा पसंद थी?
I think Rekha ji and Hema ji are the most ultimate divas for me.
Okay, and if you had to describe the red carpet tonight with one Bollywood song, what would that song be? That comes to your mind?
आज की रात कोई आने को है रे बाबा रे.
Yes, absolutely. So thank you so much, Sangeeta. That was really sporting, and you look great as always.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you so much.
And I have with me the gorgeous, the stunning Nandita Mehtani. Welcome, Nandita.
Thank you so much.
And Nandita, you look lovely. I love your necklace. I love your outfit.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So, Nandita, you have judged so many beauty pageants. You've designed for so many people. So tonight, what are those important qualities that you look forward in Miss Diva 2025?
I think, of course, one is, being yourself. I think that's the most important. And I think times have changed so much nowadays that it's not about, just being the perfect person and saying the perfect thing. It's about being who you are, showing your personality, and just being true to yourself. That's as I'm looking forward to, seeing the, what the different contestants bring to the table. And I'm also excited to see the new categories of fashion designer as well as content creator.
Okay. So in all these years, you've judged so many women. So many women have got the crowns. One contestant that is still unforgettable in your eyes.
Oh wow! There's I'd say quite a few. I guess all our beauty queens. I think they're still stunning. I mean, from Aishwarya Rai to Priyanka Chopra to Lara Datta. I mean, I think they've all made such a mark. Put India on the global map, and they've been unforgettable till today.
Absolutely. Okay. So what's the first thing that you check before stepping onto the red carpet?
Myself.
Yes.
I mean, of course, you look in the mirror just to make sure everything's in place.
Okay. And what instantly lights up your red carpet mood?
Honestly, I'm not one for. I try and stay away from the red carpet, very honestly.
Yes, I can see that. But still,
I'm
you're
quite
with us, Tegla.
camera shy, but I guess over the years, from experience of doing it quite a number of times now, still getting used to it.
Okay, so I'm going to name a couple of actresses, and you're going to tell me the outfits that you really like them. Like for example, Janhvi Kapoor looks best in a sari or a lehenga, or probably Kiara Advani. Just one outfit that comes to your mind. One red carpet outfit. Okay, so I'll start. Okay, I'll start with Kiara Advani.
I'd say a bustier and a skirt, a long skirt.
Okay. Kareena Kapoor Khan,
A sari.
Aishwarya Rai,
I'm trying to think. I think Anarkali,
okay, and then comes Sushmita Sen.
a sari as well. I think all the girls, I mean, for me, number one, I would say is a sari. It's just, and the thing is with the sari, there's so many different types of fabrics and, craftsmanship. And I think they're different parts of India suit different personalities, that's why it works for all of them.
Okay, so my last questions. 2 tips that you'd like to give to the contestants today who will be on stage for the crown competing.
I guess just come out there, do your best, and I feel like I know it's a contest and you are being judged, but I feel that there's no judgment, on everybody. Everyone's different. Everyone has their own personality. They have their own look and vibe. And I think, like I said earlier, just be who you are, be yourself, and the confidence will radiate. And I think that's what gets you to win.
All right. That's very well answered, and thank you so much for talking to us. Have a great evening. Thank you. I have with me the handsome Sahil Salatia. Welcome.
Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm good. And सबसे पहले मेरी नजर गई आपके outfit पे. I really like the robe. So tell us something
So
about
I'll
that.
Just do a little turn for you. Okay, I'm wearing Vazane, fantastic Indian designer, and very happy to be wearing Indian designers always because I think they have so much craft and so much talent and so much culture and so much love when they make clothes. Because as a country, we are such a creative little place. You know what I mean? Because we are a country of 1.2 billion people, and each one of us, we have so much talent in us, and especially the designers, they are very, very creative. Yeah.
Absolutely, and I'm sure your designer is going to love this intricate detailing. So Sahil, of course, you've walked the ramp. You've acted in series and films and television as well. So tonight, for Miss Diva, what are the 5 important qualities that you look for?
The most important quality is confidence. You have to be confident about what you're doing. Number 2, be authentic. It's very important to be real. So that real or authentic, that's number 2. Number 3, be edgy. I like people who are edgy. I like uniqueness, edginess. That's number 3. Number 4 would be beauty. When I say beauty, I mean be a kind person. When you're a kind person, it shows on your face. That's number 4, beauty. Number 5, work on the first 4. That's number 5. Yeah.
Okay. So another thing, 2 do's and don'ts on stage for all the contestants, because you've had an experience. So what would you say that कि ये करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, you know, that makes you stand out or unforgettable?
Number 1, do's. Be super confident. Number 2, if you really screw up somewhere, it's okay. Don't overthink. Keep going. Keep going confidently. Follow your heart, but don't be very blind about following your heart. Like, have some rhythm to what you're trying to achieve on stage. You know, sometimes your heart will tell you to just do something really absurd. Don't do it, please. And another don't would be to not stick to the original plan. Try to stick to the original plan. Whenever we are going to go on stage, we know this is what we're going to do. So try and stick to it, because if you do too many changes, suddenly it might just backfire.
Okay, that's quite sharp and crisp. So again, because it's Miss Diva 2025, so as per you, who is the evergreen iconic diva of Bollywood that you always admire?
Oh, wow. Aishwarya Rai, I would say. Like, she's like the iconic... I think she's the most iconic Indian woman we've ever had, because she really represents what the country stands for, right? Like, I think it would be her, or Priyanka Chopra. How did I forget? Priyanka Chopra. Yeah, Priyanka Chopra.
All right. Thank you so much for talking to us, Sahil. Have a great evening.
You too.